huwag na tayo magsayang ng oras. Hindi lahat ay fit to become a financial advisor. Not even small percentage lang ng nag-join as financial advisor ang nagiging successful. Here are the reasons why financial advisor is not for you. Number one, if you're a type of person na you want guaranteed result, definitely this is not for you. If you join here expecting na on day 1 or month 1 mo kikita agad ng 100,000, sorry, hindi siya para sa'yo. So there's training, there's mentorship, but you still need to do the work. Number 2, if you don't like talking to people. If you're a type of person na you hate talking to people, hindi ka comfortable makipag-usap sa ibang tao, I'm sorry, this is not for you. Kasi if you don't like talking to people, then this industry might be a very difficult career for you. Because in this business, we are in the business of meeting people. We are in the business of building relationship with other people. Next is if you don't want sales or you don't want to learn about sales. Joining the industry, hindi mo naman kailangan maging natural born sales person ka. That sales skills is a learned skill. But if you're a type person, hindi mo gusto yung sales or you have the negative na pagtingin sa sales, definitely this is not an opportunity. This is not a right fit for you. Kasi you have to be willing to learn how to present, how to handle objection. You have to be willing to be rejected multiple times, and you have to be willing to handle objection. If you're not willing to do that, if you're not willing to learn the skills of selling, then definitely this is not for you. Number 4, if you're the type of person who make excuses, I'm sorry, this is not for you. If you're the type of person na if something does not work and your first reaction is blaming other people, making excuses, saying na hindi kasi nakikinig si client, mali kasi si client, market ko, wala akong kakilala, wala na akong makausap. I'm sorry, this is not a best fit for you. Because being a financial advisor is being an entrepreneur. Okay? This is your first step to become an entrepreneur. And entrepreneurship requires ownership. Last but not the least, if your why or your goals is not big enough, definitely being a financial advisor is not a good fit for you. Because in this industry, you get exposed. Meaning na maraming rejections, maraming failure, maraming blood, sweat, and tears ang mararanasan mo dito. Especially on your very first year before you become successful or before you see some positive results. Okay? And if your why is not big enough, then definitely susukuan mo agad to. So why bother starting at the first place? Okay? Only the people with biggest why ang tumatagal sa business na to. Sabi nga nila, matira mayaman sa insurance industry. So in the agency, we are not looking for everyone. We are only looking for people na willing matuto, open, matuto ng sales at makipag-usap sa ibang tao, willing to take ownership ng result niya, mapapangit or maganda man ng result, at gusto namin yung mga tao lang na may malalaking goal, biggest why. So if you're willing to learn, to know the business, then message ka sa akin, chat mo sa comment, challenge accepted. Because only the people who can overcome these things are the only people na nagiging successful sa industry na to.